Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if the Bookly app is not working. And by not working we mean either it's not opening, it's lagging, it's crashing, something is just not working. Well, I have found 4 easy ways in order to mostly fix any issue with the Bookly app. So the first thing is really simple. I came across this online, but you actually do need Wi-Fi in order to use the Bookly app. So what you simply want to do is make sure that you are actually connected to a Wi-Fi connection or cellular mode is enabled. That's really important. If that is not enabled, just enable it and then you should be good to go. Now, if that is not working, you've already tried that your Wi-Fi is on and the app is just still not working, then the second thing you might just want to try and do is head over into the App Store over on your phone, just like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to simply type in the Bookly app because we need to maybe update the Bookly app. When the Bookly app is extremely outdated, it could cause some issues with the app not opening or just not working. So I'll definitely recommend just trying to update it to the latest version and then trying to use that feature that was not working. Now, if you're certain that your app is updated to the latest version and it's still not working, then the third method I have for you guys is simply heading over into settings. And basically once you've done that, head over into settings on your iPhone or Android. What we're going to do on Android is simply type in the search bar the Bookly app and click on the app. And in order to get there on iPhone, click on General, iPhone Storage, scroll down till you find the app. So we're going to scroll a little bit down just like this till we find the app right here. Then on Android you will simply have a clear cache button, and on iPhone what we need to do is click on offload app, because what we're going to do is we're going to hard reset the entire Bookly app. And like I said, on Android you will be able to do that by clearing the cache, and on iPhone by just clicking on offload app. So click on it, reinstall the app using this exact page, and it will basically just hard reset the app and clear the cache over on your app basically. And like it says right here, it will keep all the data and documents, so that's really cool. It will basically just hard reset and then try to use the Bookly app again, and maybe that feature has now been fixed basically, because that is a really easy way in order to fix any issue with any app, including the Bookly app. So after you hard reset the app and it's still not working, then the last method I have for you guys is just basically reinstalling the app. So just hold down basically the app over on your home screen, click on remove app and just reinstall it back again using the App Store or Google Play Store. It will 99% of the time work after you've reinstalled the app. The problem is that when you do this, most of your books will most likely be gone if they are not saved somewhere on a cloud or something. So do keep that in mind that when you actually reinstall the app, it will remove all your documents and data. But yeah, that are basically the 4 easiest ways in order to fix any issue you are having with the Bookly app. So yeah, that being said, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.